MyExamCloud Python Certification Practice Test Review. Open the MyExamCloud app or visit the homepage in your browser. Click on MyExamCloud Courses. Select Python Certification Practice Tests. You will find all available Python certification study plans. Click on the certification you want to prepare for. Choose any exam and click the Open Dashboard button. This will take you to the dashboard where you can begin your preparation. Plan your preparation. Click Plan Schedule My Plan to create a study schedule. Click Plan Set Goals to define your exam objectives. Take practice tests. Click Practice, My Exams to view all available practice tests. Start the exam of your choice. On the Exam Start screen, you can customize various settings such as Show Hide Multiple Answer Indicators, Toggle Question Palette options, choose between practice mode or quiz mode. After the exam, review detailed explanations and correct answers. The AI-powered answer review highlights your weak areas. You can focus on specific topics by selecting targeted question filters. Track your progress. At any time, view your preparation analytics and progress reports. MyExamCloud offers more advanced features than most online learning platforms. Try it now and boost your Python certification journey.